Here A is given 2715. So by using property of adjoint A into adjoint A, this is multiplication of matrices, isn't it? A is a matrix, adjoint A is a matrix. So multiplication of matrices means, suppose determinant of AB, we can write determinant A, determinant B. So here also we will write determinant A into determinant adjoint A. This will be first step. Then determinant adjoint A, we have property. This is equal to determinant A power n minus 1, where n is order of the matrix. So adjoint A, we can write determinant A n minus 1. Now this is 1 power, this is n minus 1. So we can write determinant n minus 1 plus 1. Indices rule, if multiplication is there, power will be added. So minus 1 plus 1 will go determinant A power n. Okay. And what is the value of determinant A here? You can find 5 2s are 10 minus 7 1s are 7. So 3 is the value and order is 2 by 2. So n is 2. So final answer will be 3 square, that is 9. In this question, A, B, any square matrix of order 3. So here n will be 3. Order of matrix is 3. Determinant A value is given as 5. So we should find determinant adjoint A. So by using adjoint property, this determinant is equal to determinant A power n minus 1 square. Okay, so determinant A we know here, n we know, we can substitute the value. This will be 5. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 square. So 3 minus 1 means 2 square. So 5 power 4 will come. 5 power 4 means 625. 25 into 25. So 625. Here A is 2, 3 minus 1, 4. So determinant A is 8 plus 3, that is 11. Okay. Now A inverse of inverse, by using inverse property of inverse matrix, it is equal to A. So determinant of A inverse will be determinant of A, which is 11. A and B are matrices of order, these 3 by n, m by 5 respectively. Find the order of matrices 5A minus 3B given that it is defined. Since 5A minus 3B is defined, so for subtraction A and B should have same order. Okay, so order of A and B should be same. That is 3 by n should be equal to m by 5. So if we equate here, 3 and m are equal, n and 5 are equal. Therefore, m value will be 3, n value will be 5. Find the value of A square, where A is a 2 by 2 matrix and elements are given by this relation. So we can find A matrix here first. For that we need A11, A12, A21, A22. So here it is written, if I and J are equal, entry will be 0. I and J are equal means A11, A22 will be 0. And if I and J are not equal, entry will be 1. So here in these two places, we should write 1. Okay, so 0, 0, 1, 1. This is our matrix. Now to find A square, that means A into A, 0, 1, 1, 0, differentiate number in rows and columns, first metric in rows, second metric in column, and after multiplication also we will get 2 by 2 matrix, order of 2 by 2. Okay, so 0 plus 1, here 0 plus 0, 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 0. So finally 1 1 0 1. This is 0 only, 0 1 0 0. Okay, so finally answer will be 0. So this is A square. Final answer is 1001. That is identity matrix. Now for the choice question or question, A is a square matrix of order 3. So n is 3 here. Determinant A is given as -4. And determinant of adjoint A we should find. So by using property, determinant of adjoint A is determinant A power n minus 1. So determinant value is given -4, n value is 3 minus 1. So minus 4 square will be 16. So determinant of adjoint A will be 16. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that A square equal to 2A, find the value of determinant A. So A square equal to 2A is given. So we'll proceed from the given expression. We should find value of determinant A. So both sides will apply determinant. Now A square means A into A we can write, isn't it? And here determinant of 2A, one property is there, determinant of Ka will be is equal to K power n determinant A, where n is the order of the matrix. Here order is 3, that is n value 3. So we can write 2 cube determinant A. And here for this we can use this property, determinant AB, multiplication of two matrices. So determinant A into determinant B. So determinant A into determinant A we can write is equal to 8 times determinant A. Okay. Now shift this term here. Minus 8 times determinant A equal to 0. Take determinant A common. So determinant A minus 8 will be left here. Okay. So what we can write here? Either determinant A is 0 or determinant A minus 8 equal to 0. So determinant A equal to 0 or determinant A equals to 8. These are the possible values of the determinant here. A matrix is given 3 minus 1 1 2. So A square we will find here first. That is A into A. So A square matrix also will be of 2 by 2 order. So 9 minus 1, 3 plus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 1 plus 4. So finally 8 minus 5, 5, 3. This is A square. Substitute A square value, A value, identity matrix value here. So we should consider A square minus 5A plus 7I. 8 minus 5, 5, 3. 5 times 3 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 7 times 1, 0, 0, 1. So this matrix we can copy here. Now 5 will get multiplied with each of the element here. Okay, 15, 5, minus 5 and 10. Plus 7 also will get multiplied with each of the element. So now all together we can write here 8 corresponding element 8 minus 15 and then plus 7. First element over 5 minus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 minus of minus 5 means plus 5 plus 0. Then 3 minus 10 plus 1. So this will give
+7.
plus 7. So this will give plus 7. So here 15 minus 15 0. This is 0. This is 0. 7 3 10 minus 10 also 0. So we have proved here it is 0. Now using this only we have to show, we have to find A inverse. So now since we have proved this, okay, and clearly determinant A is not equal to 0, okay, that means inverse exists, then only we can find A inverse value. So throughout this equation we'll multiply with A inverse. So this will give A into A inverse will be identity, I into A inverse will be A inverse. So A minus 5I plus 7 times A inverse equal to 0 we got. A inverse we should find. So all other terms we will shift here. Minus 5I means 5I minus A. A inverse will be, this 7 will come in division here. Okay. So A inverse we can find by substituting I value and A value here. A value is 3 1 minus 1 2. So A inverse will be 1 by 7. Here this metric will be 5 0 0 5. Now subtraction of both the matrices. 5 minus 3 2, 0 minus 1 minus 1, plus 1, 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is your A inverse.